Tiger P. Other designations: Panzer 6. VK4501 P. Porsche Type 101. Type: heavy tank. Manufacturer: Nibelungen Work. Chassis number: 15001-150010. 5 produced in July 1942. Crew 5. Weight 57 tons. Length 9.34 meters. Width 3.38 meters. Height 2.8 meters. Engine 2 Type 101,1. Gearbox electric drive. Speed 35 kilometers per hour. Radio FUG 5. Armament 1 8.8 centimeter KWK 36L56. 1 7.92 millimeter MG34. 1 7.92 millimeter MG34. Traverse 360 degrees electric. The 7.92 millimeter machine gun seems to be integrated into the turret. The 7.92 millimeter MG34 is right hand, 15 degrees left and 15 degrees right, hand operated, I believe. Elevation minus 9 degrees plus 18 degrees. And again, the 7.92 millimeter is integrated into the turret. The 7.92 millimeter MG34 has elevation minus 7 and plus 20 degrees. So this tank has 2 machine guns. I presume one is integrated in the turret and one is integrated into the chassis. That's what I think I'm reading. Sight TZF9B. And it seems to be the sighting of the 88 millimeter seems to be integrated with the 7.92 millimeter MG34. And another MG34 seems to have the KG-ZF2 sight. Armor in millimeters per angle. Front, side, rear, top, bottom, respectively. Turret. 100 millimeters at 8 degrees. Front. Turret side. 80 millimeters at 0 degrees. Turret rear, 80 millimeters at 0 degrees. Turret top bottom, 25 millimeters by 81 minus 90 degrees. I'm not sure what that means. Superstructure. Front, 100 millimeters at 12 degrees. Side, 80 millimeters, 0 degrees. Rear, no data. Top bottom, 20 millimeters at 90 degrees. Hull, front, 100 millimeters at 35 degrees. Hull side, 60 millimeters at 0 degrees. Hull rear, 80 millimeters at 0 degrees. Hull, top and bottom, 20 millimeters at 90 angles, I think. Gun mantlet. Front, 100 millimeters to 110 millimeters at 0 degrees. History. The VK4501P was developed by Dr. Ing H.C.F. Porsche, KG. The order having been issued on 26 May 1941. The prototype was completed in April 1942, and without preliminary testing, production was put in hand, with delivery scheduled to start in July 1942. Problems with the motor and suspension brought production to a halt in August 1942 after only 5 had been completed. In October 1942, Nibelungenwerk was ordered to cease production of the Tiger P because Porsche had been unable to solve the technical problems. Specific features. The suspension for the Tiger P consisted of 6 pairs of steel-tired rubber cushion road wheels with drive sprockets in the rear instead of at the front. The drive train consisted of 2 V10 air-cooled engines which drove generators to provide power for the electric motors which drove the sprockets. The turret, which was designed by Porsche and built by Krupp, was later developed for the Henschel VK4501H by modifying the roof angles. Combat service. In September 1942, an order established that since they had air-cooled motors, the first series of Tiger P were to equip 2 tank detachments destined for North Africa. However, drivetrain problems halted production, and the 5 completed Tiger P were issued for training and testing at Dollersheim. So this is a Tiger P. This video was requested by somebody on YouTube, so I finally got around to it with this encyclopedia of German tanks. Okay, plates 460, 461, Tiger P. Here is plate 460, and there is a side view of a Tiger Porsche. And you can see road wheels and a drive sprocket. I guess it's back here. And I presume the turret is turned, so the cannon is facing away from us. And here are these men standing all over it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 guys hanging out on the test rig, I presume. Here's another angle view of the Tiger Porsche. I presume this is the front. Here's the turret with the 8.8 centimeter pointing at us. Here's the engine deck, so you can imagine that, how it angles. And there's a lot of guys on it again. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 guys testing the rig. And just for mass, I drew all 5 of the Tiger Ps. Now this is just a thumbnail sketch, so please do not be enraged at me. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Tiger Ps, all of them right here in this video. And so they were all sent to a place called Dollersheim. And used as test rigs and training rigs. And the history after that is unknown about them. Well, here this is a very rare tank. And I hope that you enjoyed this production. Ending video.